Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need a sweet treat, but you also want something with some protein, then I have the perfect solution. It's the Payday bar. These things are awesome, and I love these because they totally satisfy my candy cravings. But this little bar has 7 grams of protein thanks to all those really tasty peanuts. So Payday bars are a peanut caramel bar. This is the regular full size. It's 1.85 ounces. And to me, this is the perfect little pick-me-up if you need a little something to get through your day. I love that it has this really chewy, sweet caramel, but then it also has this really nice salty crunch from the peanuts, and it's a perfect balance. So these bars really hit the spot for me. I love the sweet and salty together. It's the perfect combo, and you just can't go wrong. So if you're looking for a little sweet and salty crunch, then I would definitely check out the Payday bar, and that's my point of view.